Hi everybody, it's Bonnie Lee from my garden. The interesting thing about a lotus is at night, she closes up just like before she blooms. She's tight, she's like this. And in the morning, sun comes up, she opens. Now, if you think of your customer base, just like that lotus, what if you think in this direction? If I pay attention to my customer, if I provide them with rays of sunshine, they will always stay open to my message. They will always want to communicate, and I will always want to pay attention. So the lesson here is you be like the sunshine. Your customer is a lotus. If you shine beautiful sunlight on your customer, they're going to stay open to you. Sadly, if you do not, they're going to close up and they are going to potentially choose not to do business with you. So you be like the sunshine. See you later. Bye.